So here's how you can add payment methods on your Wix website the best way. It's quite easy and simple to do. But make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out any important steps. So the first thing you're going to do is open up any browser in your system, head on to the search box and write www.wix.com. Now click on the first link, www.wix.com, here the top right corner on login. If you have created an account, then log in, otherwise create an account, enter your email and password here to click on login. Here is a dashboard page of Wix. Here the left side, you will see some options. Now scroll down and you will see setting options. Click on it. Then there will be many options in front of you. In Me, you will see accept payment option. Click on it. So first of all, you have to set the location of your business, in which country you are doing business. So here are 3 payment methods in front of you. Click on Connect of the first payment options. So here are some restrictions for the payment provider. Read them and answer the question accordingly, then click on the Connect New. Now go down and click on Continue. Now you have to click on Complete Setup. Now they will ask you about your business, and you have to tell them first. You have to tell the type of business, then you have to provide your personal information. Also, you have to upload your photo, then you have to give your address information. Then you have to provide information about the business. After that, you have to give your bank account information. Then you will read and tick these terms and conditions. After that, you will click on Submit option now. The payment method is complete. You can also use other payment methods. You can also use other payment methods such as Payal, Monel payment, more payment options available. These can also be used.